How to fix CotEditor for Mac not uninstalling. CotEditor is a third-party application for Mac, so you can uninstall it using the following commands. 1. Open Terminal on your Mac. 2. Type in the following command and press enter, rmrf/application/CotEditor.app. This command will remove the CotEditor application from the applications folder. Note, if you installed CotEditor through Homebrew, type in the following command and press enter, brew uninstall CotEditor. This command will remove CotEditor and any associated files installed through Homebrew. 3. Type in the following command and press enter, rmrf/library/application/support/CotEditor. This command will remove any remaining CotEditor files from your user library. 4. Type in the following command and press enter, rmrf/library/preferences/com CotEditor.CotEditor.list. This command will remove the CotEditor preferences file. 5. Type in the following command and press enter, rmrf/library/caches/com apple.help/generated/com CotEditor.CotEditor.help. This command will remove any CotEditor help files generated by the app. These commands will remove CotEditor and any associated files from your Mac. Note that you should always be careful when using the rm command, as it can permanently delete files without any confirmation. Make sure you enter the commands correctly and double check that you're targeting the correct files and directories. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.